Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to make someone an admin in a WhatsApp group. Whether you're looking to share responsibilities or give someone else admin privileges, this quick tutorial has you covered. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, locate the group where you want to assign a new admin. Tap on the group to open the chat. Next, look at the top of your screen and tap on the group name. This will take you to the group's information page. Scroll down until you see the list of participants in the group. Now, find the person you want to make an admin. Tap and hold their name for a moment until a menu pops up. From this menu, select the option that says Make Group Admin. And that's it. The person is now an admin of your WhatsApp group. They'll have the ability to manage members, update group settings, and perform other admin tasks. Remember, as an existing admin, you can add as many admins as you like. However, ensure that you trust the people you assign this role to, as they'll have significant control over the group. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance.